Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about prism and its types. So first we will learn that what is a prism, and then we will discuss about its various types like triangular prism, square prism, rectangular prism, pentagonal and hexagonal prism. So first we will start with its definition. So a prism is a 3D shape. So it is always a 3D shape in which the top and bottom faces are same or identical and parallel to each other. Like this is a triangular prism. So here the top and the bottom faces are same, identical and parallel. These faces are parallel also to each other. So these faces can be triangle. So the base faces, the bottom face and the top faces. These faces will always be same in a prism. So these faces can be triangle or this can be square also, or these faces can be rectangle also, or any other polygon. So the base faces, the top and the bottom faces of a prism will always be same, and it will always be a polygon. Polygon means a simple closed figure made up by 3 or more sides. And now the other side faces of a prism are rectangular, like here in this triangular prism, because the top and the bottom face are triangle in shape. That's why we call it triangular prism. Now we will discuss about these side faces. So the other side faces of a prism are rectangular. So the shape of these faces are rectangle here, or it can be in the shape of parallelogram. So the side faces will either be rectangular or parallelogram in shape. Okay, like in this square prism also, the side faces are rectangles. So now after this we will discuss about their faces, edges and vertices. So now we will discuss about faces, edges and vertices of various types of prism. Okay, so first we will start with triangular prism. This is a triangular prism. So the name of a prism always depends on its base. So here the base faces are in the shape of triangle. That's why we call this prism triangular prism. So the faces of a 3D shape can be flat faces or curved face. But in case of prism, the faces will always be flat faces. Okay? Now edges. Edge means when two faces meet with each other, a line segment is formed. That line segment is known as edge, or the plural of edges, edges. Similarly, vertices. Vertices is plural form of vertex. Vertex means the corners. So these are the corners. So the point where two or more edges meet with each other are known as vertices. So here these are the vertices. So now let's start counting the faces. So this is the first face. Now second face. So two faces are triangle in shape and the other faces are rectangular in shape. So after two, third face, fourth face and 5. So a triangular prism has 5 faces. Now count the edges. So start counting from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 edges in triangular prism. Now vertices. So these are corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So there are 6 vertices in a triangular prism. Now the second type of prism is square prism. So this is a square prism which I prepared. So in a square prism, the bases, the top and the bottom faces are in the shape of square. So the number of faces will be 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2 faces are square in shape and other 4 side faces are rectangular in shape. So how many faces? 6. Now count the edges. So edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. So this square prism is same as cuboid. Okay. So the number of vertices will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about next type of prism, that is rectangular prism. So this is a rectangular prism. This is same as cuboid. So in a rectangular prism, the top and the bottom faces will be in the shape of rectangle. So the number of faces will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 faces in a rectangular prism and edges. Let's count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 edges in rectangular prism. Now count the number of vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So there are 8 vertices in a rectangular prism. So these two are an example of cuboid. Now next is pentagonal prism. So pentagonal prism means a prism whose top and bottom faces are in the shape of pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. So the number of faces in a pentagonal prism will be 1, 2. So 2 faces are pentagonal in shape and the other side faces are also in the shape of rectangle. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So a pentagonal prism has 2 pentagonal faces and other 5 faces are rectangular in shape. So the total faces are 7. Now the edges. Count the edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So 15 edges and vertices are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 corners on the top, 5 at bottom. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the next type of prism is hexagonal prism. So hexagonal prism has top and bottom faces are in the shape of hexagon. Hexagon means a polygon which is having 6 sides. Okay, so that's why we call it hexagonal prism. Now the number of faces in a hexagonal prism will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This means that in a hexagonal prism, top and bottom faces will be hexagon in shape and the other side faces will be rectangular in shape. So the total number of faces are 8. Now count the number of edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Then 6 at the bottom. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So there are 18 edges in a hexagonal prism. Now let's talk about vertices. So there are 6 vertices at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 6 at the bottom. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this means that in a hexagonal prism there are 8 faces, 18 edges and 12 vertices. So we can also count these faces, edges and vertices by using a simple formula. Like faces will always be n plus 2, edges will be 3n and vertices will be 2n. Where n is the number of sides on the base of a prism. Like in a triangular prism, there will be 3 sides on the base. A triangle has 3 sides. So faces will be 3 plus 2, 5. Edges will be 3 times of number of sides on the base. So 3 into 3, we will get 9. And vertices will be 2 times the number of sides in the base. That means 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So by using these formulas, we can calculate the number of faces, edges and vertices easily in any prism. Like in a square prism also we can check. In a square prism, the top and the bottom faces will be square in shape. And we know that a square has 4 equal sides, 4 sides. Then the number of faces will be, we know the formula n plus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6. Edges are 3 times of number of sides. So 3 multiplied by 4. We are getting 12. And vertices are 2 times the number of sides. So 2 multiplied by 4. 2 4 ja 8. Okay, so similarly you can find out in other prism also. Now prism can be further classified into regular and irregular prism and also right and oblique prism. So first we will discuss about what are regular prism and irregular prism. So regular prism means if the bases of a prism are in the shape of regular polygon. If the bases, like here it's a regular pentagonal prism. Here the top face and the bottom face are a regular pentagon. A regular pentagon means a pentagon in which all the sides are equal and all the angles are also equal. In a pentagon, the angles will be of 108 degree. Okay. And apart from this, the all type of prism which I have shown you in the video were also regular prism. Because here in this triangular prism also you can see that this is a equilateral triangle. So it is a polygon whose all the 3 sides are equal and all the 3 angles are also equal. In an equilateral triangle, each angle will be of 60 degree. Okay. So these type of prism will be considered as regular prism. If the top and the bottom faces are in the shape of regular polygon. Now, if the bases of a prism are not in the shape of regular polygon, if our top and bottom face are not in the shape of regular polygon, then it will be considered as irregular prism. Like you can see here in this figure, the top and the bottom faces are not in the shape of regular polygon. They are not a regular pentagon. Here you can see that the sides are different. Sides are not equal, and also the angles are also not equal. So that's why it will be considered as irregular prism. Here the side faces will also be not in the shape of rectangle. They can be in the shape of parallelogram. Okay. Now the second type of prism are right and oblique prism. So now we will discuss that what are right prism and what are oblique prism. Now first we will discuss about right prism. A right prism is a prism in which the joining edges and faces are perpendicular to the base faces. Perpendicular means where the joining edges and faces are perpendicular to the base faces. Here the base is square in shape. These two are bases and these are edges. So this means when the joining edges and faces are making an angle of 90 degree, then it will be considered as right prism. See, here the angle of 90 degree is getting formed. Let's turn it. Here also these edges are making an angle of 90 degree with the base. This is also of 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. So these type of prism are considered as right prism. You can see in this rectangular prism also the joining edges and faces are making an angle of 90 degree with the bases. So this is an angle of 90 degree. Okay. So at every corner an angle of 90 degree is getting formed. So these prism are our right prism. Okay. Now the second type of prism are oblique prism. So these prism are just opposite of right prism. If the joining faces and edges are not perpendicular, when our faces and edges are not making an angle of 90 degree with the base, then it will be considered as oblique prism. Look at this diagram here. This is an example of oblique prism. So here these are the edges and these are the faces, and this blue color, these are the top and bottom faces. But here you can see that these lines, these edges are not straight. These are slanting. So that's why these are not forming an angle of 90 degree here inside this. When we are extending this line of the base, then from this corner now the angle of 90 degree is getting formed. Okay. So when our faces and edges are not perpendicular to the base faces, here it's not a 90 degree angle here. But here in the case of right prism, as you can see clearly that our edges are making an angle of 90 degree with the base faces. Okay. So this is the difference between right prism and oblique prism. So friends, now I hope that the concept of prism and its various types will be clear to you. You can also try to make these type of prism at home to clear your concept. And friends, if you like this video, then please share it as much as possible. And subscribe to my channel for more videos. And also press the bell icon for getting the notifications of my latest and interesting videos. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, goodbye. Take care.